Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the CapCut GOAT edit tutorial. So if you guys want to make that GOAT style edit everyone's using on TikTok and Reels, in this video, I'll show you step by step on how you can create the GOAT edit in CapCut with insane transition, lighting, and sync that makes your clip looks legendary. So this trend is perfect for sport highlights, attitude edits, and cinematic reels or K-pop moments. So you can create it from scratch, but I'm going to show you the shortcut or the easier way to create the edit. You can just open your CapCut and head into templates options in here, and then you can click on the search button at the top. Then just search for GOAT trend TikTok for the keyword, or you can also go trend edit. Hit on a search button, and then you'll see lots of GOAT edit templates that you can choose. Or you can also, I'm going to just change it into GOAT trend TikTok. Okay, I'm going to use this one. You can see there are lots of options actually. You can just choose the one that you prefer, but here I'm going to use this one. Click on the use template, and now you can just select the photos or clip that you want to add into the template. So for this one, I'm going to add photos. This one. Okay, once you're done, you can tap on next. And you'll see the preview of the GOAT edit by the CapCut template. Okay, so now it's done. You can just click on the play button. And this is how the GOAT edit will look like. So guys, that's pretty much all. If you want to make your own GOAT style edit, you can go to CapCut and use the template. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. So I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.